Hey, I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. I need subscribers. Please like my channel, subscribe to my channel. This is where you're going to get the best writing tips and writing ideas. I'm not a English professor, but I've written 4 screenplays. I've written 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. So in this video, we're going to talk about I don't even know how to title this. Well, maybe I should just say this. The reader of your work can only go where you take them. I had a situation where my last book. I had just finished the first chapter, and I was a little unsure about it because I'm tackling the subject in my new book that I'm not really that familiar with. So, one of my best friends, I asked her to read the first chapter or whatever. She read it. She's like, I like it. She said, but except on this part right here, this kind of made me feel like this. You know what I'm saying? And then I kind of went in defensive mode and said, well, no, you know, no, I mean, because that's what we do as writers. It ain't nothing we wrote wrong. You read it wrong. But with all my experiences and everything, when I got off the phone with her, I thought about what she said. I went back to that part, and I'm sorry, I just got to eating a bologna sandwich. So I went back to that part, and I realized and said, okay, you know what? If that's what she saw and that's what she read, then that's what it is. I can spruce up this part. I can because it wasn't a situation where she's seen it one way. It didn't emotionally do what it was supposed to do with that part. So my point that I'm trying to make to you is this: as a writer, to be a good writer, do not be so quick to assume that the reader got it wrong. Now, all readers read things subjectively. You'll be able to hear the difference between somebody's subjective opinion and somebody who really got what you was trying to say, but but didn't really get it. Didn't really get. They got what you're saying, but they knew what you was trying to say. Basically, is what I'm saying. They knew what you was trying to say. But most important for writers to understand, and I say this all the time, and I'll beat you over the head with it. Readers can only go where your story takes them. Period. They can only go where your story takes them. If your story take them to a dead end street, then that's where they're gonna be, on a dead end street, because a reader have nothing but the imagination and the words that's on that page to continue to guide them on and continue to put them in this fantasy world of whatever they're reading. They only have you. Every next word that they read is words that you wrote. And if you take them to page 5 and you suddenly say the end, then it's the end. You have total power of where that reader goes. So taking your writing serious and understanding that for them, for the readers, it's serious to them, because the one thing I can tell you, and I can tell you this from personal experience, reading books is not it's a great joy, and it's addictive. You know, especially when you find a good book. So you have to ask yourself, do you want to be one of those books that readers will pick up and toss to the side because it's not that good? You know, the story's not that good. They're halfway through it, but they still don't know what it's about. That has happened to me before. Now, when you have a book that you're looking forward to picking it up right before you go to bed, see what happened, or you close it on this part, you bookmark it on this part, and you can't wait to see what happened in this situation. That's a good book. What side of the fence you want to be on? Now, the best side is obviously is being a storyteller, and being a correct storyteller and taking your reader on a journey. So I say to you, the reader can only go where you take them. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Oh yeah, join my Facebook group, Black Books for Us, Black Books for United States on Facebook. I really appreciate you. I need subscribers, so please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.